Good morning, everybody. Today I present our Pride and Joy lines, the Kareli Tomlock line. This cock on the father's side is a half brother to a cock that became a top breeder for Piet Jacobs in Pretoria. The mother herself was a third ace pigeon in the VPU, and she's also producing top races and winners. It's a granddaughter to all our super stuff. It's very closely related to Tatiana of the Painter family. Super racer for them. All our ace pigeons that carried us through the years 03, 17912, 04159 is in this pedigree. Crammed with ace pigeons. This is a beautiful young cock bred for stock. Well balanced. He carries absolutely no weight. He's a medium-sized little cock. Going to flight 6 as well. The cover on the first primary there. Halfway closed up. Very good cover on the back. Always on my line of ace pigeons, short forearms. And then we have that fantastically ventilated wing in the end. And on our ace pigeon line, we have this grizzle color coming through. Always interesting for me to see. I like it when they do that. So yeah, compact, lightweight, and it is ZAVPU 3554. Blue bar, Kareli Lock Ace Pigeon Cock.